Welcome to 509 Woodlawn Avenue, nestled in a charming and quiet neighborhood just minutes from the vibrant heart of Wilmington. This beautiful property offers the perfect balance of peaceful suburban living with all the conveniences of city life close at hand. Located just a short drive from downtown Wilmington, you'll have easy access to the best the city has to offer. Boutique shops, award-winning restaurants, and a thriving art scene. The historic Riverwalk along the Cape Fear River with its stunning views and waterfront dining is only a few miles away. For beach lovers, the property's prime location places you less than 20 minutes from Wilmington's renowned coastal gems. Enjoy the soft sands of Wrightsville Beach or the natural beauty of Carolina Beach, making it the ideal home for weekend getaways or everyday living by the water. This quiet neighborhood offers a peaceful retreat, with tree-lined streets and a strong sense of community, perfect for families, retirees, or anyone looking for a tranquil lifestyle. Come explore 509 Woodlawn Avenue, where location, convenience, and serenity come together to create the perfect place to call home.